What's up, y'all? Leah Bartow here with Brazen Fitness, and I wanted to talk about a few handstand progressions today that will help you get from easiest to toughest option and eventually kicking up into a handstand. Okay, what we're doing at first is just building confidence and shoulder stability and strength in that handstand position. So you can start in something as simple as a down dog. Butt comes up. Hands are pressing through the floor, and I'm going to shift my weight forward over the wrist as I press through the floor into my shoulders. Okay, from here we can progress to being a little bit more elevated. I have a bench here. You could also use a box, an ottoman, anything that's elevated that can support you. You could start on the knees if that's where you're comfortable, or you can progress into more of a pike position. For the pike position, you're going to have your feet on that surface, and you're just simply going to be in a pike. I'm shifting my weight over the palms, and I'm pressing those palms and fingertips through the floor, my ears to the biceps, really strong, solid position. As you feel good here, you can progress this by starting to lift one leg up at a time, getting you into a more vertical position with more weight over the palms. And finally, you can progress into kicking up onto the wall. From here, what I like to do is place my hands about a foot off of the wall. You're going to have your stronger leg forward, and you're going to kick that opposite leg up with control into the wall. From here, bringing my head through, ears to biceps, pressing through the floor. My palms are strong, my elbows are strong, my shoulders are strong, my booty is squeezed, and my ankles are squeezed. Getting into the most vertical position possible. And then from there, can play with taking one or both feet off the wall.